Hello, it's day 3 of our 7 days of rest. So glad you're here for today's theme of radiance. Radiance like the sun, radiance like every single cell inside of you. So, this practice of rest is for families with children ages 6 to 12. It's also great for school teachers to share with their classrooms and anyone who would like an interactive guided rest. So we're talking about radiance. So let's create some warmth by moving our body. We're going to jump and jiggle in any way that feels good to you. So get up right now and start to move your body. Wiggle and jiggle and jump and stretch and do whatever you like to create some energy, some movement, some warmth in your body. Jump and jiggle however you like. That's right. Keep going. Woo! Do you feel the warmth right away? That's awesome. Every day during the 7 days of rest, we are going to practice resting. You can go back and do these again and again anytime. And then after we've done this practice of rest together, you can spend the day connecting with the natural world, appreciating all of the bounty, and becoming a steward, which means to take care of all the elements of nature, just like all the elements of nature take care of us. And to rest as much as you can. In our culture, it's very busy, busy, go, go, achieve, do more. And what's natural is to balance activity with rest. We want to act and we also want to rest from taking action. If you want to see how that works, you can simply observe nature. The sun comes up and the sun goes down. Well, that's not the truth because the sun stays still and the earth is turning. If it was always sunny, it would be too much heat. If it was never sunny, nothing would grow. We wouldn't have food. So it's the balance of effort and rest, of sunlight and quiet dark. And so let's find ways to bring that into our everyday life. And when we do rest, we come to know our own true nature and we more naturally are in a positive relationship with the natural world around us. So let's focus on radiance, that light, that energy of the sun. It's within each one of us. So let's get ready to rest. Find a place where you can lie down or lie back with comfy clothes, a comfy blanket, a comfy pillow, whatever you can use to create the conditions for deep rest. As you lie back, settle yourself in, and then you might still feel some warmth and your heart beating a little bit from our jumping and jiggling. So take some few deep breaths to slow that down. And we're going to do a tense and release, and we're going to do it 3 times, and we're going to do the whole body at once. So tighten every single muscle in your whole body. Tighten your toes and your feet and your legs and your bottom and your tummy and your chest and your shoulders and your arms and your fists and your neck and your face. Squeeze, 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 squeeze tight, and then stretch everything and relax. Let's do it again. Tighten every single muscle in your body. Tight, tight, tight. Squeeze your toes and your feet and your legs and your bottom and your tummy, your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your neck, your face. Squeeze, stretch everything, and relax. Do that one more time because we catch the tension and send it out when we relax so we can actually rest more deeply than if we still had that tension in our body before we did this. So one more time, tighten everything in your body. Feet, legs, bottom, tummy, chest, shoulders, arms, hands, face. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Stretch and drop. Can you feel how your body is more relaxed and that tension that stays in our muscles is maybe gone a little bit more now? Let the weight of your body rest on the ground. Feel your heels heavy on the ground, the back of your legs heavy on the ground. Feel your bottom, your hips on the ground, heavy. Your rib cage and shoulder blades heavy on the ground. The back of your hands, the back of your arms, and the back of your head. the whole body resting evenly on the ground or however you are resting. Feel your breath flowing in and out. In and out. The radiance of the sun is always present. And as the earth turns and turns again, it goes from light to dark, light to dark. Just like our breath flows in and out, in and out. And in these opposites, we find balance. So let's explore the opposites in our body. First, can you invite in the feeling of heaviness in your body? Let your whole body become heavy like lead, heavy like a big sack of sand. Let your whole body get really, really heavy. The feeling of heaviness throughout your whole body. And can you let your body be light, light as a feather, light as a wisp of a cloud floating through the summer sky? Can you let your body get so light that it might even float up off the ground? Let your whole body be light as a feather. Can you now invite in the feeling of being cold? Cold like you're standing outside in snowy winter weather, or bare feet on a cold tile floor, inviting in the feeling of cold as a feeling in your body, a sensation. And can you invite in the opposite of warm? Let your body be warm. Warm like you're sitting by a fire outside, or warm like your favorite snuggly sweater, or a nice big hug from someone you love. The feeling of warm in your body. And without moving a muscle, can you invite in the feeling of squirmy or jiggly, like we did when we started, but you're not moving your body, just a sensation in your body, a feeling, a busy, jiggly, wiggly, squirmy feeling, activity or motion, and inviting in the opposite of perfect stillness. The whole body quiet and still. And with all of these opposites being still or squirmy and jiggly, being cold or warm, being heavy or light, at the center of this is your radiance, the balance. Invite in this tingly, warm radiance, like the sun is shining inside every single one of your cells. The human body is made up of trillions and trillions of cells. Can you feel the radiance of each one? Now imagine that you can walk through a rainbow. And as you walk through each color of the rainbow, you experience that color. First, you walk through the red strip of color in a rainbow. Feel the red in your body and just notice what that feels like to you. Maybe all the tingly radiance in your body turns red, or whatever that is for you. Next, you walk through the orange color of the rainbow. Feel that orange color in your body. And then you walk through the yellow. Feel the yellowness of the rainbow as a sensation in your body. Next, you walk through the green spectrum of the rainbow, the green strip of color, and you feel that green within you. Blue is the next color that you move through in the rainbow, and feel the color of blue move through you. The next color is indigo, deep, dark blue. And how does that feel inside of you? And finally, violet. The color violet as it moves through you, as you move through the color violet of the rainbow. You've just walked through all the colors of the rainbow, and together they make this beautiful radiance that's within you and around you. Feel your shimmering, sparkling, joyful, natural essence of radiance within you and around you. Breathing in and out, in and out. You can feel your body on the floor and your breath in your body. You can wiggle your toes and fingers and stretch and take that radiance with you as you come up to sitting. And we'll practice a hand gesture or a mudra for that quality of fire, of radiance of the sun, that powerful energy. So this is a warming, heating, energizing hand gesture. If it feels like too much warmth or energy or heat than you want, just undo your hands and rest your hands down, like just palms down on your lap. So for this radiance mudra, you're going to take your ring finger, this third finger, and you're going to fold it down. And you want it to touch the base of your thumb. This is called the pad of your thumb. Well, this is the pad of your thumb. This is the base of your thumb, the pad on your hand. So this finger touches down, and you can use your thumb to hold it in place. Same with the other hand. This finger touches down to this base of your thumb, and put your thumb over it to hold it in place. So this is what it looks like, but you're going to let it rest on your lap, palms up. The radiance of the sun, the quality of fire or energy or heat. So as you hold your hands like this, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed, notice how it feels in your body, the kinds of sensation in your body, how your breath is moving, and the quality of the thoughts in your mind. So let's say you need focus or energy. You can bring your hands into this shape to help you feel more focus and energy. You can gently release your hand gesture. And today, one of the most radiant things we have is our smile. So can you smile at people today? Think about that as we explore 7 days of rest. Smiling is restful. When we are nervous or worried or stressed out, there's an alarm that goes off in our brain and helps us look for danger. When we're smiling, we send a signal to our brain that there is no danger. We're happy. So smiling can help you feel calm and restful inside of yourself. And it can also help someone else feel that same way too, because our feelings, our emotions are like contagious. Other people can feel them. So smile to help yourself rest, your radiant smile, and smile at others to help them rest as well. And just like we're doing every day, if you can take a nap take a nap. If you can go to bed early, go to bed early or get up a little bit later. Do things that are more restful. People all over the world are resting together. And as we rest, we come into our own natural state of ease and well-being. Have a restful day, and we'll see you tomorrow.